Guys, you know how much I like this one song that's playing now? I'm in a shower. I'm like getting wet and stuff. Oh my god. Man, I hate English. Anyway, yeah, I'm getting wet in the shower. And like I have my remote thingy. You know, the remote thingy? It makes noises. Like music. I thought, how the fuck are they called? Oh my god, wait. A Bluetooth speaker. A Bluetooth speaker? Yeah. It's anti-water. It's anti-wetness. It's proof. I can't fucking speak today. Hi, chimp. I literally can't speak. It's waterproof! Oh my god. Yo, where is it? This is the pillow I can move? I want to cover my face. Give me a moment. Oh! You can talk to my leg, okay? Talk to my leg. Talk to my leg. There's no face anymore. There's a leg.